Okay, for the sake of argument, I'm going to make just a small little trench, just so I don't get my pipes all wiggly like that, until I get over to where I need to go. Okay. Gently put those in there, cover them back up as I go. If you want to check your final connections before you turn the water back on, well, you could do that now, but you know, those couplings are designed to fit for this pipe, and I think you'll be fine without checking them, but you can if you want. You know, you can run all your lines like this if you want. It'd be nice and easy, but if you got hard pan or something, you can just lay them on the top, go where you need to go, and then once you get your bark, that'll cover everything up. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and fill these holes up now, I think, before I go any further. Oh, you want to watch that? It's easy. You can do it. You can do it. That's why I like these rubber gloves. I can wash them off when I get done. Almost looks like I knew what I was doing, huh? But you don't have to be a professional landscaper to be able to do this. I'm not a professional landscaper. Okay? Just showing you, if an average Joe can do it, of course you can do it. Go. See, since I'm here, I'm just going to dig a little bit of dirt around this irrigation box, because when we get the bark, I want the bark to fit right up to the edge. I don't want the dirt to be on top, you know, close to flush, and then there's hardly any bark, because then after a little bit the bark is going to go bye-bye. You're not even going to see it. Okay, so spend a few moments on any box like this, or if this was the edge of your concrete sidewalk or whatever, you're going to want something like that, like that. See, I can push the excess dirt wherever I want, can I? Okay. Like better. There you go. Now it's all ready for the bark. Okay. If you have any bark left that I pulled away like this, I can, for the time being, I can push this back. You know, if you already have your bark, make sure you get all your bark out of the way. Then you can cover it all. You can cover it all nicely when you get done digging in the dirt. Okay. The object is to make it look like you were never there when you get all done. Okay. We can rinse this off later. Onward, let's get on with it. What do we do next? Okay, now I'm going to take my longest pipe. I've got two lengths of pipe. This one's shorter than the other one. I'm going to take the longest one. I want to get it the shortest distance over here because I need to have some extra so I can loop-de-loop. Okay, so I guess I better get my gloves on. for this part. I'm just gonna kind of string it through there. Maybe I should dig. I don't really need to dig any here, but just a little. I'm just gonna do that. Here's my longest one. And I'm gonna just kind of sneak it through here, you know, gently. In fact, I could take the end of it too. Oh, I don't know. Hey, we can do it that way. And I can just kind of shove it in through there and keep going, you know, and then pull it through that way. If I had two people here, it might go a little bit easier. You know, get it to this point, like that. I can just keep fishing it through there. I can push it through, like that. Hey, I gotta be careful with that. I don't want to kink it. Already starting to kink it. Okay. Back and forth you go. Like that. I probably should have straightened out the pipe a little bit more, huh? Once I get it through here, I can straighten it out on the other end. Okay. Being careful not to kink it back and forth. You can see here I got a little loop right here. The last thing I want to do is pull it on that loop and kink it. Yeah, okay. There we go. Okay. I can gently figure out how to get it down there like pickup sticks. That. Dig it again. Right to the end. Like yay. Like that. And I think I'm going to take this other one, do the same thing, just right to there. Just like that. This dirt will help it stay in place too, obviously. There we go. Okay. Look at those rocks, because when we put the bark on here, the bark's going to cover all that up. Okay, so far, so good.